this storm reaches in nearshore waters, boaters should consider heading for shore. Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin until 4 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Kohler, or over Sheboygan, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Sheboygan Falls, Howards Grove, Westburg, Kohler, and Haven. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. MarineWarning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin until 4 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Sheboygan, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm